Well, welcome to Gateway Bronco. We're here at Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. At the beginning of the show, starting off with the first Bronco. It's a prototype Bronco, all zeros in the VIN, owned by Carroll Shelby for 10 years, and there's only 3 owners. We're so thrilled to have it here. We'll have a symposium on Friday morning at 9 a.m. with a panel of speakers talking about this historic vehicle and the significance of that Bronco here at Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. Some of our newest owners just came by. And we have a Bronco here that is built brand new, 100% new vehicle. This is an 825 horse Bronco with a Coyote 5-liter engine, a 6-speed transmission, and look how beautiful that is. It's a genuine Shelby supercharger, and this Bronco is laser straight. Look at that beautiful truck. It is a brand new vehicle. We're the only ones licensed from Ford Motor Company, official licensed product from Ford Motor Company, to build the first generation Ford Bronco as a new vehicle, or to build this vehicle as a restoration. As you've seen before, we have this beautiful leather interior. We have the barnwood in the back, and just one of many examples that we have here. One of our nearly famous designs, this design with the matte finish paint, the fawn color leather, and the modified Ranger stripes, all painted on, no decals here. And again, the barnwood in the back. This is barnwood right off the barn and on display here at Barrett Jackson. This truck is a restoration, and this is about a $185,000 truck with Coyote engine. This is our base model of Coyote Edition. This truck we just talked about is our modern day warrior. $315,000, 4-link suspension. And what we didn't talk about is the suspension. Fox shocks, racing shocks, unbelievable suspension, all stainless exhaust, all polished stainless exhaust comes on this, done in our shop at Gateway Bronco. Well, in addition, we have an Icon Bronco here. One of our customers has asked us to sell his Bronco so we can build him a Gateway Bronco. This is BR33, and it's for sale here at the booth. It's a Coyote engine. It's got a winch in the front. You'll be able to see the video online of BR33 and compare the quality with our vehicles if you like. It has about 3,500 miles on the truck. Overall, a good truck. Got the powered step. It's got power windows. It's got LEDs. It's got many of the things that you would expect in a fully restored Bronco, at about 3,500 miles on it. This is a $265,000 vehicle, and available now. We can deliver this thing at the end of February, and we'd be glad to do that if you're interested. Go ahead and message me directly if you're interested. Seth at gatewaybronco.com, or private message us on Facebook. Here's another truck that we have. This was an original paint restoration, also an official licensed product from Ford. You can see that it is laser straight, beautiful truck. Again, a powder coated bumper in our facility with hidden winch, and about $185,000, $187,000 vehicle with Coyote. That is legitimate Porsche leather interior, flip and fold rear seat, 3-point seat belts, and everything you could expect in a Bronco. Bringing it back around to the first Bronco ever built. This is a special vehicle, and check out in the back here, there's a bullet hole in the back from the ranch at Terlingua, Texas. Right there, came from below, and just part of the uniqueness of this really awesome vehicle, the first Bronco, a 1966 prototype with what we believe is a Hypo 289 out of a 63 Galaxy. Very cool. Well, welcome to Gateway Bronco. Hope you can join us. Barrett Jackson, Scottsdale. We're in Lux 3 near the Salon Showcase, and the world's first reproduction of a Ford Bronco officially licensed from Ford Motor Company.